shoebill is a tall bird with a large shoe-shaped beak and gray-blue plumage, reaching 1.2 to 1.5 meters in height and a wingspan of 2.5 meters. Found in the wetlands of East Africa, particularly in South Sudan, Uganda, and Zambia, they thrive in areas with abundant fish, snakes, and crocodiles. Shoebills are solitary and territorial, often active at dawn or dusk, and live 35 to 50 years. Despite their intimidating appearance, they are not dangerous to humans. However, with only 3,000 to 5,000 individuals left, they are at risk of extinction due to habitat loss, poaching, and their reliance on remote, undisturbed breeding sites.